Welcome to Roadrunner, your go-to destination for everything automotive. We bring you the latest car reviews, specs, and features to help you make informed decisions about your next vehicle. In today's video, we are diving into the 2025 Toyota Urban Cruiser, a compact SUV that has been turning heads with its sleek design and impressive features. This updated model brings a host of improvements that make it a solid contender in the ever-growing subcompact SUV market. The 2025 Toyota Urban Cruiser offers a perfect blend of style, performance, and practicality. One of the key highlights of this new model is its bold exterior design, which has been refreshed for a more modern, dynamic look. The front grille is more aggressive, and the overall shape of the vehicle reflects Toyota's commitment to providing a vehicle that stands out on the road. The Urban Cruiser features LED headlights and sleek lines running across its body, making it look both sporty and sophisticated. The new design is not just about aesthetics, it also enhances aerodynamics, contributing to improved fuel efficiency. Under the hood, the 2025 Toyota Urban Cruiser is powered by a range of efficient engines designed to deliver both power and fuel economy. The base model comes with a 1.5-liter petrol engine, providing an optimal balance between power and fuel efficiency, making it perfect for daily commutes or weekend getaways. For those who prioritize fuel economy, the hybrid variant of the Urban Cruiser offers even better efficiency, making it an ideal choice for eco-conscious drivers. Toyota's hybrid technology has always been known for its reliability, and the 2025 Urban Cruiser is no different, offering a smooth and seamless driving experience while reducing emissions. Inside, the 2025 Toyota Urban Cruiser impresses with a spacious and well-designed cabin that offers comfort for both the driver and passengers. The seats are comfortable, with high-quality materials used throughout the interior. The cabin is designed to be practical, with ample legroom and headroom, making it suitable for long trips or city drives. Toyota has also upgraded the technology in the cabin, with a new infotainment system that features a large touchscreen display. The system supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring seamless connectivity with your smartphone. The interface is user-friendly, and the system responds quickly to inputs, enhancing the overall driving experience. In terms of safety, the 2025 Toyota Urban Cruiser comes equipped with an array of advanced safety features, making it a great choice for families and individuals alike. It includes Toyota's Safety Sense Suite, which offers features such as lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and automatic emergency braking. These features work together to make driving safer and more convenient, providing peace of mind whether you're driving in the city or on the highway. The 2025 Toyota Urban Cruiser is also a practical vehicle when it comes to storage and cargo space. The rear seats fold down flat, allowing you to carry larger items when needed. The boot space is generous for a compact SUV, and the flat load floor makes it easy to load and unload your belongings. Whether you're heading to the grocery store or taking a road trip, the Urban Cruiser provides the flexibility you need for all your storage needs. On the road, the 2025 Toyota Urban Cruiser delivers a smooth and comfortable ride. Its suspension system is well tuned to handle bumps and rough patches, providing a comfortable experience for all occupants. The steering is responsive, offering good feedback, and the overall driving dynamics make it enjoyable to drive in both urban environments and on highways. The compact size of the Urban Cruiser makes it easy to maneuver, especially in tight spaces or crowded city streets, while still offering the stability and handling of a larger vehicle. Fuel efficiency is another standout feature of the 2025 Toyota Urban Cruiser. Thanks to its efficient engines and lightweight design, it achieves impressive mileage figures, making it one of the most economical options in its segment. Whether you're driving in the city or on the highway, you can expect to save on fuel costs, which is a key selling point for budget-conscious buyers. The 2025 Toyota Urban Cruiser is available in a variety of trims, each offering a range of features to suit different preferences and budgets. Whether you're looking for a base model with essential features or a fully loaded variant with all the bells and whistles, there's a version of the urban cruiser for you. The pricing is competitive, making it an attractive option for those looking for a compact SUV that offers great value for money. To sum up, the 2025 Toyota Urban Cruiser is a well-rounded vehicle that offers a mix of style, performance, and practicality. Its modern design, efficient engines, advanced safety features, and user-friendly technology make it a top choice for those in the market for a compact SUV. Whether you're a city dweller or someone who enjoys weekend getaways, the Urban Cruiser has the features you need to make every journey enjoyable. If you enjoyed this review of the 2025 Toyota Urban Cruiser, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more automotive insights, reviews, and updates. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching Roadrunner.